The human body is made up of approximately 37 trillion cells. The average adult human body contains about 5 liters of blood. Human bones are composed of 31% water. The human brain weighs about 3 pounds. Your skin is the largest organ of your body. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. The liver is the largest internal organ in the human body. Human teeth are as strong as shark teeth. Your tongue print is unique, much like fingerprints. The smallest bone in the human body is the stapes bone in the ear. The femur is the longest bone in the human body. Your stomach lining gets replaced every few days to avoid digesting itself. The human heart beats about 100,000 times a day. Sneezers can travel up to 100 miles per hour. Humans shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour. The strongest muscle in the human body is the masseter. The human nose can detect about 1 trillion different scents. Humans are the only animals that cry emotional tears. The human body has enough iron in it to make a small nail. Your taste buds are replaced every 10 days. You are taller in the morning than in the evening due to spinal compression during the day. The human body has enough carbon in it to make 900 pencils. Humans are the only animals that blush. You produce about a liter of mucus every day. The strongest bone in your body is the mandible. Your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood each day. Babies are born with 300 bones, but as they grow, some fuse together, leaving adults with 206 bones. Humans are the only animals capable of drawing straight lines without the aid of tools. Your nose and ears continue growing throughout your entire life. Humans have a unique hand preference, with about 90% being right-handed. The human body produces about 25 million new cells each second. Your brain uses about 20% of the oxygen and calories you consume. Your brain keeps developing until your late 40s. Human saliva contains a painkiller called opiofen, which is 6 times more powerful than morphine. Humans are the only animals capable of walking on 2 legs for long distances. The cornea is the only tissue in the human body without a blood supply. It gets oxygen directly from the air. Humans are the only primates that don't have pigment in the palms of their hands or the soles of their feet. The average person walks the equivalent of 3 times around the world in a lifetime. The average human produces about 25,000 quarts of saliva in a lifetime. The human body has enough phosphorus in it to make 2,200 match heads. Your brain generates about 12 to 25 watts of electricity, enough to power a light bulb. Human bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. Your small intestine is about 20 feet long. The human body has more than 650 muscles. The average person has over 1,460 dreams a year. The strongest muscle relative to its size in the human body is the tongue. You have a unique fingerprint, but you also have a unique tongue print. Your heart can keep beating even if it's separated from the body, thanks to its own electrical impulse. You blink over 10 million times a year. Your heartbeat changes and mimics the music you listen to. Humans are the only animals that yawn contagiously. You are taller in space than on Earth due to spinal elongation in microgravity. Your skin renews itself every 28 days. Your nose can remember 50,000 different scents. Your kidneys filter about 150 to 200 quarts of blood every day. Your left lung is smaller than your right lung to accommodate your heart. Your hair is stronger than copper wire of the same diameter. Human ears never stop growing. Human ears can detect frequencies ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Your hair grows faster in warm weather. The human body can survive for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. You lose 50 to 100 hairs from your head every day. The enamel on the surface of your teeth is the hardest substance in your body. Your ears help regulate your balance. The acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve razor blades. Your body has more bacteria cells than human cells. Babies are born with a natural swimming ability and can hold their breath. Your nose can detect a drop of perfume in a 3-room apartment. Human thigh bones are stronger than concrete. Your bones are composed of about 50% water. Your eyes are about the same size as they were when you were born, but your nose and ears never stop growing. Your bones are constantly remodeling throughout your life. Your fingernails grow faster than your toenails. Your body gives off enough heat in 30 minutes to bring half a gallon of water to a boil. Human beings are the only species known to blush. You produce about half a liter of flatulent gas every day. The human body is 75% water at birth and 55 to 60% water as an adult. Your brain uses up to 20% of the total oxygen and blood in your body. Human eyes are composed of over 2 million working parts. Your bones are denser than concrete. The surface area of your lungs is approximately equal to the size of a tennis court. You have more than 200 bones when you are born, but as you age, some fuse together, leaving you with 206. Human DNA can stretch from the earth to the sun and back, over 300 times. The average person produces about 25,000 quarts of saliva in a lifetime. Your body has enough sulfur in it to kill all the fleas on an average dog. Human bones are ounce for ounce stronger than steel. The human heart creates enough pressure when it pumps to squirt blood 30 feet. The stomach's digestive acids are strong enough to dissolve zinc. Your brain can hold about 1000 terabytes of memory. Every person has a unique smell, except for identical twins. Your stomach lining regenerates itself every 3 to 4 days to prevent it from digesting itself. The average person will grow 590 miles of hair in their lifetime. The human body produces about a gallon of mucus every day. Human thigh bones are stronger than concrete. The left side of your body is controlled by the right side of your brain, and vice versa. The human body contains enough carbon to produce 900 pencils. Your body has enough iron in it to make a 3-inch nail. Your bones are about 31% water. Human blood vessels could circle the Earth's equator 4 times if laid end to end. Human brains have the ability to rewire themselves after injury.